Diba? So look at this. The Lord is my shepherd. I have everything I need. Tingnan nyo ha. What are you worried about? What are you worried about? Ano yung word na? I have some of the needs. Some of the things that I need. Yun ba sabi? I have everything I need. Nakuha natin? Everything. Not one, but everything that we need. Okay po? Tingnan nyo. Bakit tiyak tayo ng ganyan? Tanong nyo, ano bang ginagawa ng shepherd? Ang shepherd provides. The shepherd is responsible in providing for the sheep. Maintindihan natin? Not only that the shepherd provides, the shepherd protects. Kaya minsan, di ba, we are worried because we feel that we are not safe. Okay? So, sabi ng Lord, I'll protect you. And minsan, we are worried or we keep on parang handling the worry on our own because we feel that we don't know what to do. We are lacking in wisdom. But you know what? The shepherd guides. And yung iba naman, they feel that, parang the reason why, I'm worried because I feel that I have committed so many mistakes and I don't know how to start and how to correct it. Don't you worry. The shepherd corrects. Hindi mo man alam, the shepherd knows how to correct the situation.